time update. Time is 5:38 a.m. It has become very bright already. The sunrise happening from there, and good morning from a bright atmosphere, whatever. So we have 58 kilometers to go on this highway. There isn't any turn or anything, so that is the update for now. Straight 58 kilometers, and the time of arrival is like 4 hours 15 minutes. So let's see, I will stop somewhere and make shots, so I'm sure you guys will like it. I will take a break when I have done around 100 kilometers. I want to drink water, and my stomach is going something like it is hungry. I have bread jam with me, so I will probably eat one or two of that. I'm not in a hurry to reach the hotel because it's going to be only 12 o'clock that we can check in. Until then we only have to roam around in Tiruchirappalli. So taking a break makes sense. And starting to yawn and feel a little sleepy. I woke up actually at 2:50 a.m. That's midnight, right? I took a 10 to 15 minutes break there, drank water, had a bread jam, and I have the earplugs on my ear, because of which I am feeling a little different. I am not able to hear so much, so that is what comes with the earplugs. Okay, just wanted to give you guys the update. Time is around 6:15. So yeah, we will be there 10 o'clock according to Google, right? 4 hours. Okay, so see you after a while. By the way, nice railway track. I saw 2 trains. A famous coffee shop, 99km coffee, I have seen in other videos, and we are going to reach Tindivanam. Before Tindivanam, all these beautiful mountains, and you can see the moon up there, right? And these eucalyptus trees, very beautiful. It is like a nature's own lyrics and song. The trees are there, the mountains are there, the moon's up there, the coffee shop is here, the rider is going and rider is going. The rear view mirror has a very beautiful view of the mountains, and the sun has risen. We have done around 89, 90, 84 kilometers only, and I wanted to tell you that I am carrying in my tank pack only the two camera cases, SJ6 Legend camera case and the DJI camera case. The tail bag, I'm not carrying that much luggage, but it feels like it is very hefty. It is very big, but I could not carry that in the Viaterra pod 22 liters, so I needed a tail bike like this. When I go on a longer ride than this one, this will be my like a learning this ride is my learning. We have approached this toll gate, which I do not know which one it is. I think it is a Tindivanam toll gate only. Yeah, so as you can see, the sun has risen quite up. It's good morning, and some issues in shifting the gears. 216 kilometers Tirchi. That's it for now. Very beautiful road. Both sides trees. Median also has trees. Very green. I saw on the map that it had rained last night a little bit in these places like Tindivanam, Vandavasi. Like the clouds were scattered and it had rained. So that is why it looks very green and fresh. Let's continue. So many shops along this highway. Coffee, breakfast, lunch, later of course. Just stopping at this point. The road is very straight, very beautiful, and my bike is here. I wanted to control if everything is fine. And on this side you have some beautiful village. That's it. Over and out. Signing out now. I took another break there and continuing my ride now. My sister is texting me that do 100 kilometers or 150 and come back, because she misses me also, like I miss them. And also she is a little worried about my tail bag and me not having enough space to sit on the motorcycle. Yeah, pretty obvious. I mean, when you grow up like too much connected with your siblings and family, it becomes very hard for you to go without them. So now only we are going to come to Tindivanam. So like I said, it is difficult for me also, and I am feeling a bit sleepy. Somehow the road are very free, very good. I like it, I love it. Thank you God. Thank you. And I hope it stays like that. Touch wood. What else do we have? Nothing much, that's it. I remember this route when I went to Tarangambadi. So that was my first long trip. This is the second one. So there is a lot of learning that has happened during this time, and I am now more comfortable and confident in way of doing motovlogging than the first one, and it is very good. Maybe a thumbnail point is coming up at the direction board over there. Yeah, I am feeling sleepy because I did not sleep well. If I check in at the hotel and sleep and then wake up, then maybe it will be very difficult. So that's thumbnail. My shadow there with backpack, tail bag and everything. Let's start this also. Hi. For sure, guys, it takes a lot of effort to do a motor vlogging. I am not trying to brag about me, but I am telling in general. Like, it is a lot of hard work. Last night I couldn't even sleep properly. There is constantly thoughts about what's going to happen, how are we going to ride, what are we going to talk, things like this, things like that, everything. And I was continuously getting up and checking the time. It was 11:30, then around 12:20, then 1:30, then 2:30 it was, then 2:50. I got up at 2:50. I did take shower at 3:15. So that's what I'm telling. Yeah. So if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. I think when I tell people, when I ask people to subscribe, nobody does that. So I'm not going to say anything. If people would like to subscribe, they will subscribe. There is not going to be any second thoughts about that. Exactly how people get distracted and accidents happen when a bus comes like this, and then from this direction a speeded car or bus comes, and then boom. Yeah, but God is with us, Lord Rama is with us, Lord Shiva is with us, so everything is okay. Tondi river is going to come, guys. When I had been to Tarangambadi, that was a different route. I did not come on this one. So this is the Tondi river bridge. Like any other river, there isn't any water, but the roads are super. You can go very beautifully and nicely on these roads. Oh, there is some diversion. Now we have to go slow, so I'll see you later. Bharani river. There is some water. All this I am visiting for the first time in my life. Rameshwaram is 470 kilometers only, guys. That is a very beautiful news, because that is our destination too. Although I have booked for 2 days in Tiruchirappalli, I think that it is better always to stay at a place only for a day and then move on to the next one. Otherwise it will get boring. Vedur Dam is on this side. Never heard about it. I am feeling a bit sleepy, so I need to take a break somewhere and drink water. The microphone that's in the helmet actually got a bit loose, and it was moving up and down and not staying in its position. I had to do some adjustment, and now it seems that it is okay and sitting in its position, and I'm hoping that it is recording my voice very clearly. Because of this tail bag, I am sitting a little towards the front, because of which my position and my camera angle might be different. I do not know. I will know only after I go back home and check it. So much emotions actually going through the mind, and with each and every emotion, the decision to continue or to go back is actually changing. As of now I am continuing. Suddenly the traffic has increased. I am not sure why, but the buses actually are a little bit more, and the vehicles, cars and everything also bit more. We are 180 kilometers about that away from Trichy, and there is a toll booth that is coming, so I should overtake from that side, but what to do. So I will see you after the toll booth. This is a toll booth of what, Vilupuram maybe, I do not know. Yeah, Vikravandi toll plaza. So Vikravandi toll plaza. As you can see, we still have 3 hours to reach the destination. Time is 7:40 a.m. So roughly about 10:40 we should reach. Then if checking is not available until 12, I am going to a lake which is known as Kiliyur Lake. It is a very beautiful spot, as I saw on the internet, and it is lake, and then also the route is very scenic because of the villages there. So that is what we are going to take. The microphone actually got a little bit loose again from its position. That I will correct after reaching the hotel, and that's the plan for now, guys. And I am going to stick to the thing that less thinking and keeping cool, and doing how things are, because I usually think too much, and thinking too much gives me a lot of stress, and I am unable to then do anything. So I'm not going to think too much, like how the vlog is going to come, how things are going to come. If that is open, this is open, so that's the thing. And let's go, guys. I will see you. So when you have to take the left for the Vilupuram, in this area there is a construction going on, road construction, so we should take a diversion here. Just wanted to let you know, if you come here and think what is going on. There is another rider going on a Harley Davidson X440. Good that I did not switch the camera off. All new flyover, I think. So this side will go to Pondicherry and Vilupuram. This is going to Trichy, 160 kilometers from here. Awesome, right? Yeah. Beautiful bridge. A lovely feeling from inside I'm getting on this ride. Motovlogging is good, but without motovlogging you can have more fun when you're on a ride, because you do not have to think too much. And solo riding is good also, but if you have 2 people, then it's more fun. At the stops you can talk over the communication devices and whatnot. So my Indian flag and Ramji. So this is the 4th river crossing, Tenpennai river. This is Tenpennai. The first one was Palar, then there was Tondi river, then there was another one, and this is the 4th one. So many rivers here in Tamil Nadu, right? Wow. but no water again, and people have been stealing the sand from the soil, the riverbed, which is very bad because it is very dangerous for the nature. Look at this guy, what an ass hole. Guys, the location is getting very beautiful. Look, the road which takes a turn to the left, and these beautiful trees on the either side. Wow. I have to say I am feeling a little sleepy. I need to take a break. I wish I was on the bed right now. I am feeling very sleepy. I will stop somewhere and then I will drink and eat. Again another toll, Trichy Tollway Private Limited is that name, and which area it is, let's see. Do not know. I don't know, guys. If you know, please let me know which toll booth this is, and that will be of good help. Definitely some major town or district this is. So there is issue with shifting up the gears. It is not shifting properly. Ulundur Petai it is. If you see Tirche, Dindikal and Madurai straight. It was written Nagar Mannargudi, so maybe this is Mannargudi. There is a famous temple here, Mannargudi Perumal temple. So maybe this is Mannargudi only. Alright, let's continue, soldiers. Guys, Virudachalam. So we are crossing Virudachalam now probably. All these places I have only heard the names while listening to the news. Other than that, I have never been to these places, and it is indeed beautiful. I am just falling in love with all this. Sorry, my voice got stuck. So currently we are going through the road which is split into both on traffic and off traffic road, and I mean like this, yeah. So the update is that we have less than 2 hours to reach our hotel, and mostly what we will do is only go the lake first before even checking in, and then check in. If I feel too much of tiredness and all, maybe I will take a nap in the hotel and then continue with the other parts, means the other places which we want to visit. And yeah, so where all we are going and what all we will be doing, I will update after reaching the hotel. I'm going to continue everything as one vlog only, means yeah, day by day the vlog will go on, but of course in a day's vlog there might be like 2 or 3 different vlogs. Yeah, like day 1 will consist of 3 vlogs, day 2 will consist of 3 vlogs or 2 vlogs, and like this. So I want to take a nap because I am really kind of sleepy. Other than that, I do not have anything. Gomukh River means the mouth of the cow river. Must be a very holy river. And look at this route. Isn't this amazing? Flowers, and the road itself is very nice to ride on. Yeah! Time is 8:53. I started my ride at 4:45, 4:50. So almost 4 hours and 10 minutes. Taking another short break here at this unknown location, which is very green. My bike's here. I hope that the luggage system is fine. Magnets are working well. So that's it for now. When I cruise again, I will start the vlog. Did a video call with my mother and my sister. I was feeling very happy doing that. I showed them the highway. They were concerned if how the highway is, if the routes are good or not, because last time when I had been to Tarangambadi, the routes after Tindivanam, I think, were not good, really very bad, under construction, and took a lot of time for me to reach there. So they were concerned about that and asking me if I ate something, if I drank water. So I feel so happy and I feel so blessed that I have a family like this. Really, thank you, God. Only when you go out now you feel that how much important your family is. I become very emotional when I go out, and when I see them on the video call, and my sister's daughter, my niece, I mean, she is a darling. I love her so much, and when I go out I miss her. Generally today she was sleeping because it was very early, right, midnight. So I just gave her a kiss and came on the ride. So when I go back, I will try to purchase something for her, or maybe get something that is freely available in the nature, like if I visit any waterfalls, or if I visit any lake, if there is anything that I can just take as a souvenir, like a small piece of stone, maybe I will take it for her. So feeling happy, and it is very important because they are the big support for us, right? Parents and sister and brother. A little emotional story there. I'm sure you also have something like that. Do comment in the comment section, and sugar cane is growing, maybe for Pongal or maybe before that. In Pongal is still a lot of time. Maybe sugar cane takes 4 months, 6 months time, I think. That's it. Nowadays everything has become very, I mean, quickly they grow it, and then they reap it also within 3 months, 6 months time. Lot of workers are working here, doing something on the median.